seen these reports lately? There is one word common in all of these: El Nino. It will have an impact on what you eat, your health, and much more. But what is El Nino? How does it impact the world and India? Hello and welcome. I am Pallavi Sharma and you are watching ET Now. In this video, we tell you all about El Nino and its effects. First, why is it important? It is important because the ocean is warming up, and this year India is expected to have an unusual monsoon. India may see less than normal rainfall during June to September period. Usually during El Nino years, India has seen a weaker monsoon. The last El Nino was observed in 2018 to 19 and India received below normal rainfall. So far this month, the monsoon-linked rainfall is already 37% lower. Reports suggest that it will impact the rabi crop production as well. The WHO is preparing for an increased spread of viral diseases linked to El Nino weather phenomena like dengue, Zika and chikungunya. Now, how does it affect India, if you may ask? It reduces rainfall during the southwest monsoon season, impacting agriculture and water resources. Yields of rice and pulses are hit due to poor rainfall, and prices of food then rise, contributing to a higher inflation concern. CMIE data shows that the rice inflation is already in double digits at 11.33%, way above the 6% tolerance mark set by RBI. During the MPC meet, RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das also raised an uncertainty around the prediction of El Nino this year. While the CPI inflation has fallen to 4.25%, the momentum depends on the timing and distribution of monsoon also. It is important to note that agriculture is the main source of income for most people in India. Reduced output, increased food prices and potential impacts on manufacturing and transportation will also impact people's income. IMD calculates monsoon on the basis of a long period average or LPA, which currently stands at 87 centimeters. Normal monsoon is between 96 to 104 LPA. For this year, IMD has predicted that monsoon will be normal at 96%. However, SkyMet has predicted a below normal monsoon at 94% LPA. El Nino refers to a warming of ocean surface or above average sea surface temperatures in the Pacific Ocean. So during normal conditions in the Pacific Ocean, the trade winds blow west along the equator, taking warm water from the South America region to Asia, and to replace the warm water, cold water sizes from the depth. Now, what happens during El Nino is that the trade winds weaken and warm water is pushed back towards the west coast of the Americas. Now, this was first observed by fishermen during 1600s. Its impact highlights the importance of building resilience, implementing effective water management strategies, and diversifying agricultural practices to mitigate negative consequences on food security and the economy. Well, as the monsoon progresses, the El Nino effect will become more clearer. Now, till then, you need to just stay tuned to ET Now for more such informative videos.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.